Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of Sweta Jain classes. Today I am going to solve an EOQ question with you. No, it is not a simple EOQ question. There are a lot of complications that I have got into this question, and this question is picked up from your RTP as well. So let us read the question and solve it. A company uses a purchased component in an assembly. It follows the policy of EOQ. So already they are following EOQ. For procurement of the component. The purchase price of the component is rupees 800 each, and the cost of carrying one unit is 15% per annum. So our first working note would be calculation of carrying cost per unit per annum. So carrying cost per unit per annum is given to you as 15%. Now of what? It will always be of purchase price. So whenever they give you a percentage, please directly take it on purchase price. It will always be on your purchase price. So it comes as 15% of 800, that is rupees 120 per unit per annum. Next, the cost of placing an order is rupees 150. So ordering cost is given to us straight away. The company has estimated the total cost of carrying an order placement as at 36,000. So the total associated cost given to you is rupees 36,000, and you very well know this that we are following EOQ. So what they have given you is total associated cost at EOQ, which is given to us as rupees 36,000. Now, if you see, till the information which they have given till now, they have not mentioned anywhere what is the annual requirement. But they have given us the ordering cost, carrying cost, and the total associated cost. So I am sure that in this question, they have not given us the annual requirement, and we will have to calculate it. So let's see how do we calculate that. The total associated cost at EOQ is equal to root over of 2AOC. Now this A is not there, but we can say that 36,000 is equal to root over of 2 into A, the annual requirement, which is variable in this part, into O, ordering cost 150, and carrying cost, which we have already calculated in working note 1, that is 120. So if we calculate A here, that would be 36,000 square into divided by 2 into 150 into 120. So let us calculate this. That would be 36 square divided by 2 divided by 150 and divided by 120. Oh, what you get is 36,000. So 36,000 units is your annual requirement. So we have got our annual requirement, our ordering cost, carrying cost, everything we have it. The supplier has offered a discount of 2% on the purchase price if the entire requirement of the component is covered in 2 purchase orders. 2 purchase orders means 18,000 is our order quantity if you go by the supplier's offer. So the first requirement is find the EOQ. So first let us go to the first requirement, that is finding the EOQ. A. Calculation of EOQ. We know that EOQ is equal to root over of 2AO by C, where A is equal to annual requirement, which we have already calculated at 36,000 units. You can refer to working note 2 in this case. Next is O, that is given to us as rupees 1 150 per order. This is ordering cost per order. And then we have C, that also we have calculated as rupees 120 per unit per annum. This is through working note 1. So we have AOC, we will put it into the formula and calculate our EOQ. So that is equal to root over of 2 into 36,000 into O of 150 whole divided by 120. So that is equal to 300. So 300 units is our EOQ. So this is part A of our solution. Next, part B, calculate the total cost of component procurement and storage if the discount offer is accepted. So if you accept the discount offer, then what would be the total cost of procurement? Compare this cost with the total cost of the EOQ. Now, so we need to compare the cost. That means we need to calculate the total cost of EOQ as well as for your as well as for your discount policy. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a table. We are going to make a table of 3 columns. Right. And this column we are going to, okay. So this is our table where we are going to compare cost at EOQ and the discount policy. So with this, we are going to have the table as particulars at EOQ and at the discount policy. You might have to widen up these columns as well. Right. So let us begin. So we first start with annual requirement. The annual requirement at both would be same, that is 36,000 units. Next we are going to write is our order quantity that we call as Q, annual requirement we call as A. So our order quantity at EOQ we have already calculated, it is 300 units. Whereas discount policy, they are asking us to place 2 orders. So 2 orders means 18,000 at one go. So the number of orders, that would be A by Q. That is 36,000 divided by 300. That would be 120 orders, and here 2 orders. Now, next we are going to write the purchase price. Since there is a discount, we are going to write the purchase price. Now, what is the purchase price here? Purchase price is 800 here. And here they are giving us a discount of 2%. So 800 minus 2%, that would be 784. This is purchase price per unit. Now, since the purchase price has changed, 100% our carrying cost will also change. So, carrying cost has to be changed, but we need to see point number C. Point number C says, what further discount, if any, should be negotiated for minimizing the cost? Assume that the inventory carrying cost does not vary according to discount policy. So, If they write that your inventory cost or the inventory carrying cost, that is carrying cost, does not change with the change in price, then you're not supposed to do anything in the question. But if they don't specify anything like this, what you need to do is you have to write down point number 5, that would be carrying cost per unit per annum. Here we have already calculated it is at 120, and here it would be 784 into 15%. This would be your new carrying cost. But since the question says that the carrying cost does not change with the change in the discount policy, so that is why we are going to keep the carrying cost same as rupees 1. So now we have all the data ready. Now we are going to focus on the cost. So point number 6 is our total ordering cost. Friends, you need to remember there are 3 costs that you need to compare: the ordering cost, the carrying cost, and the total purchase price. You also have an alternative where you can take only the savings of purchase price, but I'm going to teach you the bigger method where you, or the method of saving only, so that you can save your time as well. That is a much better method. So total ordering cost would be number of orders into rupees 150. That is our ordering cost per order. So here we have 120 orders. So 120 into 150, that is 18,000. Whereas here only 2. So 2 into 150 is 300. Next is total carrying cost. Carrying cost, the formula is Q by 2 into the carrying cost, that is 120 rupees. Or you can write here point number 5. Since if that line was not mentioned, your carrying cost would have changed for the discount policy. And so you will have to change here. So that is why I wrote point number 5. So in the first case, it would be 300 by 2 into 120. That would be 18,000 again. We all know at EOQ, your ordering cost and carrying cost is same. And coming to the discount policy, it would be 18,000 divided by 2 into 120. So that is equal to 10,80,000 only. So this is our total carrying cost and total ordering cost. If you add these two, what you get is your total associated cost. That would be point number 6 plus point number 7. So 36,000, and here you have 10,80,300. Now coming to the purchase price. Now alternative 1, you write here purchase price and you calculate the purchase price. So what you do is your point number 1 with the purchase price, that is point number 4. Point number 1, we have 36,000 units in total into 800. So you will have 288 lakhs. And here you will have 282,24,000. So this is your total purchase. So if you add point number 8 and point number 9, what you will get is I am just making the table bigger. So if you add point number 8 and point number 9, what you get is your total inventory cost. So that would be 288,36,000 and here it would be plus 10, 80, 300. So that would be 29, 30, 4300. Yeah. So this. So what is your extra cost? Your extra cost would be 293,043,000 minus 288 lakh 36,000. So that would be 468,300. This is the extra cost. Now I told you there is one more way out of. So let us go to alternative 2. This is known as the incremental method. Now, according to this, how we are going to solve it? Now, I am going to write here the extra cost. So I'm going to start from point number 9 again. Extra associated cost. Extra associated cost would be 10 lakh 80,300 minus 36,000. So that would be 10 lakh 80,300 minus 36,000. That is 10 lakh 44,300. And we know at the discount there is a saving in the purchase cost. So point number 10 would be savings in purchase price. How much is the saving? 800 into 2%, that is the discount per unit, into 36,000. So that would be 800 into 2%, 16 into 36,000, that comes to 5,76,000. This is the saving. This is the extra cost. This is the savings. So what we get is total extra inventory cost. That would be 10,44,300 minus 576, that is 468,300, which is same as this. So we have got the answers through both the alternatives. This is how you compare two situations when you get another offer of discount or anything. Here, since we have extra cost, we are not going to go for the discount offer. If there would have been savings, we would have gone for the discount offer and we would have rejected the EOQ. We would have gone with the discount. Here, what is our conclusion? Our conclusion is we are not going to go with the discount offer. Now coming to the third part, that is, what further discount, if any, should be negotiated for minimizing the cost? Assume that the inventory carrying cost does not change. Now, what further discount? Now, what further discount will you go for? You will go for further discount of the extra cost that you have incurred. The extra cost, so we are going to part C. So, part C. In part C, the extra discount that you need is 4,68,300, right? This is for all the units. So extra discount per unit would be 4,68,300 divided by 36,000 units. So that is equal to extra discount per unit we have got at as rupees 13.008 per unit. So what is the discount percentage? Discount percentage would be rupees 13.008 divided by rupees 800 into 100. So that is equal to 1.626%. This is the further discount required if we want an indifference, or we reach an indifference point between the discount policy and the EOQ. So this was a question on EOQ where we got the discount policy and we calculated the extra cost also. Did you like my video? Please let me know in the comment section. And if there is any doubts in the question, please let me know. Thank you.